let's have a record on this. Coordinate geometry 1. Find the ratio in which the point Q, which is a coordinate of 2, 3, divide the line joining the point A, which is -2, -1, and B, 3, and 4. If you check the episode I did on coordinate geometry 1, as in the internal and external division of a line, we have a formula that can be used. How we deduce those formulas. You can check that out in the playlist. So here we've not been mentioning whether it is internal division or external division. So basically we take the internal division. If it is external, it will be indicated. So if we can recall, if I'm looking for that point that divide or the ratio, let's just say our ratio is going to be m is to n. So looking out for the point of the x coordinate and the y coordinate, we can have this being equals to the x2 times the m plus x1 times n, the m plus what n. This is for internal division. Then we can have our y2, then we have m plus y1 and m plus what n. All right. So here, what are we looking for? We are looking out for just the m and n, which is the ratio. So m and n is featured in the x coordinate, the m and n is featured in the y coordinate, which means that this x is giving you this. So this is the point. Find the ratio in which this point divide. So this is the point that is dividing the AB in this form. So what do? You can see the x2, x1 is coming from the first point of x, second point. So I can pick any of them. So let's say using the x coordinate, right? I can say that the point 2 should be equals to this value here, where this is our ratio. So I'm going to pick, this is x1, x2. So x2 is 3, multiplying the ratio m plus x1 is -2, multiplying the ratio n. That divided by the ratio m plus what? N. I can do same for y component also. But let's focus on this. When you cross multiply, we should be having 2 into bracket m plus n equals to 3m, in this case -2 what? N. Let's expand the left hand side. 2 times m will be 2m, 2 times n, 2n. That will be equals to 3m minus what? 2n. Here I can see m and n at both sides, so we can group like terms. Let's say m is coming here. So 2m positive become -3m. Maintain your -2m here. This will be n, right? Then we bring in the positive 2n to become a -2n. 2 minus 3 will give you -1. The m is just a description. So we can have -1 times m, -m, equals to -2 minus 2 is -4n. What are we looking for? Ratio, which is also more or less like a fraction. So we divide both sides by, okay, first let's divide by -1, and that gives us this over -1. That will give you m equals to 4 what? N. We need the m here to come to divide it. So we divide now by what? M, right? N. So divide by n, giving you m over n, 4n over n. That means I have m over n equals to 4 divided by 1. This will cancel itself, remainder 1. So you can see this is giving you the value of m to be 4, n to be 1. So therefore, the ratio is going to be 4 is to what? 1 rather. 4 is to 1. Look at this here. M is to n. M is to N. That will be 4 is to 1. Check the playlist and get more facts on internal and external division of what? A line. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.